you guys plan your meals the day before? No, right? Cheers! Today I thought that I will be recording whatever I'll have for 24 hours. Please note whatever. Let's go!
One, two, three.
Have a half watermelon and okay, so I have a bread. Guys, I got this wooden chopping board. It was in my wish list for so long क्योंकि aesthetic videos में I just used to feel like कि यार my chopping board is not aesthetic. I just wish to hold my silver play button in the same way I am holding my chopping board today. Dream of that day. I never have this bread at the very first. I just fixed this like a puzzle. ये है मेरा bread और ये है sandwich griller. अब मैं इसे grill करूँगी और party करूँगी. That was so bad.
Just waiting in front of the sandwich grill like I wait for my delivery parcels to arrive.
It is literally smelling of butter. Whenever you will bite something very hot or very cold, like there will be a sensitivity in your teeth. Hi guys. Wish ki we were at a FaceTime right now because I need serious help. I decided to have some beverage and I'm not finding options ki what can I have right now. I think Tummy wants iced coffee. I can sell coffee like this much of sachets I always have in my home.
Good. It's real food.
Hi guys, I am back. I just took a shower and I'm back for lunch. So lunch mein na I was thinking ki what can I have? Like to have the most comfort Indian food. That's, let me show you. Ta-da! So this is my most comfort meal. Just comment Indian food in the comments so that I know that yes, you also relate to me the same. Actually, since I live alone, I have a very cute and pretty Didi who comes and cooks for me. And since I don't have my mother, she acts like my mother. Like she really takes care of me. And today when I told her that Didi just make dal and chawal for me today, she just told ki I am also making some, Karela potato fry, and I just told no, I don't want to have it. She just said that chupchap kha lena because this is good for health. And after hearing that, I just felt so lucky that there are still people who cares. Hi guys, I am again at my kitchen and I feel so blessed doing this what I eat in a day because it just gives me so much things to eat. And because now it's summer, or I showed you previously that I have one half watermelon in my fridge, inside my fridge, so I will be having this now. It is so red. This is too very juicy and too sweet. I love it. Indian families, we all had this one moment when we had watermelon like this, like this. And today I just thought to recreate that. Hi guys, so मैं ना सो गई थी for 30 minutes and now when I opened my eyes I saw that it is 6:30 p.m. and मुझे लगी है जोर की भूख. I'll give you the best hack. Guys, I'm so sorry for the lighting because I currently don't have any kind of extra light and my kitchen's light is terrible. So please bear with me. Take one leftover roti and you have to apply just ghee all over this. And this is the Indian taco, the tortilla bread. This is the one. Place your roti here and just close this. This is how my Indian tortilla bread is looking. You know, my cooking Didi did some aloo bhaji in the morning. Today I didn't have it. So just place these aloo bhaji over here like an aloo masala roll like this. Like with your whole heart, just apply the ketchup, you know, as to satisfy your soul. Now you can just wrap it up. Like a proper roll. Let's just taste it. This is so nice. For a person like me who loves aloo, this is so freaking nice. You will get the flavor of ghee, ketchup, and also the crispy aloo fry. I mean, please don't judge me for this, but I just felt like to have something sweet. मैं नहीं खाई थी क्योंकि I don't like this back part until I have this like a dessert with this. I just love this. This is Amul ka choco spread and this is so delicious. Spoon like this. Little करके मतलब थोड़ा करके. I'll just go out of the world right now. Guys. So for dinner, I am making. Can you see my sweat? I'm literally sweating because I am making veg biryani for dinner because my boyfriend is coming over. He just called me few minutes back and he informed me that I'm coming over. So I'm so happy today. He's the only person that makes me feel like I'm home. 1, 2, and 3. Oh God, I am becoming such a nice chef. Actually looks amazing. Now I can't believe that I made it. But then there will be an actual taste challenge. So hi guys, so he's here and I already have served him. So yeah, it's upon to you now. Tell me how is it?
ये तो पहली बार ट्राई करूँगा मैं क्योंकि
Right.
चिकन मटन छोड़ के कभी खाया नहीं बिरयानी वैसे.
Yes.
It's really good.
Really?
It's really good. Trust me.
Not for the sake of
No,
the
no, no,
camera.
no, not really, not really. This is absolutely like it's really good. Yeah, trust me. Like this is the very first time I'm trying this. Okay, like veg biryani. ये तो concept के बाहर ही था. Okay, out of the box था मेरे लिए तो. This is the very first time I'm having this. Trust me, and it's really good. It's really good. I loved it just.
Okay, you can enjoy it. Anyways, guys,
I loved it. Thank you.
you're most welcome. So anyways, guys, let me enjoy my veg biryani right now. Maybe we'll watch some series. We will meet up very soon. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Toodles.
Like the